Hi everyone, I am Vindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will see that how to add two numbers in Python. So let's get started. You can see that there is 4 lines of code in which first line is equal to 7. It means that A is referring to 7. Second line B is equal to 5. It means that B is referring to 5, and wherever you will use B, the value of B would be 5. C is equal to A plus B means C is referring to addition of A plus B. Now the next line is print C, which is an output function. So it will print the value of C, which is the addition of A and B. So output would be 12.